Hello and welcome to a miserable, dark kind of day 36 of Bedtime Welsh. Not the nicest weather here, but there we are. This is a cheerful thing to do anyway. So, right, let's jump straight into it. We've got some slightly trickier ones for you today, ending up with a nice big one. Remember to have fun with a nice monster long sentence. It doesn't matter if you don't get it right. It's normal not to get it right. Okay, kicking off now. Feeling happy because...
teimlo'n hapus achos.
Teimlo'n hapus achos. Teimlo'n hapus achos. As you can see, it's even hard for Beinos to remember sometimes. So next one, feeling nervous because. Feeling nervous because.
Teimlo'n nerfus achos.
Teimlo'n nerfus achos. Right, next up we've got I'm feeling happy because.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos.
Dwi'n teimlo'n hapus achos. Right, next one. I'm starting to feel nervous because.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n nerfus achos.
Dwi'n dechrau teimlo'n nerfus achos. And now the last one, the big one, the monster to finish with. Because I'm going to start to feel nervous.
Achos dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Da iawn, Beino, da iawn am gofio. Achos dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus. Da iawn. You're doing excellently if you've got any of that out, and you can always have another run at it when you feel like it and take your time over it. So well done, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.